Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Conclusion: is Kraken legit? It's fair to say that Kraken is an option well worth considering thanks to its excellent security features and low transaction fees. However, it's not the best option for beginners due to its more complex interface.
Let's help you make your mark.
In all honesty, both Kraken and Binance are considered to be among the two best cryptocurrency platforms out there. While Kraken is more suitable for a cryptocurrency trading beginner, Binance should suit the more experienced traders better.
Let's help you make your mark.
Kraken is one of the oldest and most popular crypto exchanges based in San Francisco. The exchange is suitable for both beginners and advanced traders, as well as for individuals and companies. Kraken is also a leader when it comes to Bitcoin to Euro trading volume.
Let's help you make your mark.
10 minutes. Action you have to take takes up to 10 minutes. Internal checks are complete. Withdrawal transaction is sent to payment gateway for processing. Takes up to 10 minutes. Withdrawal transaction has been broadcasted to the respective digital assets network and is waiting for a blockchain confirmation.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.